My dear students, I am going to teach you the number 1. 1 is also very important number in mathematics. The nature of the 1 is positive. How it is positive? I am going to explain with the help of example. Example you see here. When any number is multiplied by 1, no change in number. You see here, 10 is multiplied by 1, 10. 100 multiplied by 1, 100. And these are the variable also remains the same. Third property, when any number is divided by 1, again no change in number. You see in the examples, 10 is divided by 1, 10. 100 is divided by 1, 100. A divided by 1, 1. You have seen all the numbers and variables, if divided by 1, will remain same. So these are the positive property. There is no change. This is the positive nature of 1. No change in multiplication and no change in division. And I am giving you fourth example. You see, in fourth example, if the power of any number is 1, if the power of any number, if the power of any number is 1, then the result is same. See here example. 10 raised to the power 1, 10. 100 raised to the power 1, 100. A raised to the power 1, A. X raised to the power 1, X. There is no change. This is also a positive nature. A fifth example. If 1 if any number is power of, if any number is power of 1, then the result, if any number is power of 1, then the result is 1. 1 raised to the power 10, 1. 1 raised to the power 100, 1. 1 raised to the power A, 1. 1 raised to the power X, also 1. Here you see, any number is power of 1, then the result is 1. See here. Now, sixth property. Sixth property. In sixth property, if 1 is if sixth property 1 is 1 is neither 1 is neither prime, most important property, my dear student, is neither prime nor composite number, one is neither prime nor composite number. Prime numbers, what are prime numbers? What is prime? In which the number itself is a factor, no other factor other than 1 and itself. Composite, there is a one more factor other than 1 and the number. So these two properties are not applicable in 1. So you can say 1 is neither prime nor composite number. 7th, 1 is natural number. 1 is natural number. Or you can say, my dear friend, 1 is a first natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the natural number. 1 is the first natural number. So 1 is natural number. 8th, 1 is odd number. 1 is odd numbers. 1 is odd number. My dear student, what is the definition of odd number? The number which cannot be divided by 2 are called odd number. The number which can be divided by 2 are even numbers. So 1 is odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7. This is the example. Here this is also a example. 1 is first odd number you see here. 1 is first natural number. 1 is first odd number. Next property. 1 is integer. 1 is odd number. 1 is natural number. 1 is whole number also. First write down the whole number. 1 is whole number. Example. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is the second whole number. 1 is the second whole number. Now 10th property. 10th. 1 is integer. 1 is integer also. Here you see 0, 1, 2, 3 and -1, -2, -3. These are the integers. 1 is here, you see. 1 is integer also. 11th property. 1 is rational number. 1 is rational number. 1 is rational number. So 12th property. 1 is real number. 1 is real number. So my dear students, all the numbers are real numbers. So 1 is also a real number. 13th property. My dear students, I am going to tell you a most important property, that is 13. What is this property? 1 and God are both same. because one is one, God is one. One is hidden in every number and God is hidden in every object of the nature. Here you see 1, 3. You can write 3 into 1. Again it is 3. 4. You can write 4. 4 into 1 into 4. It means in these number 1 is hidden. This is the 1. You say here 1 into A. This is. And x into 1 is equal to x. In the all numbers and all variables, it is hidden. So, the same nature of the position of the God. You know, my dear student, God is everywhere. God is hidden in each and every object of the nature. God is in human beings. God is in all the living and non-living things. So, the nature of one and God, I think, is the same. But property or power is not same. God is all powerful. God is merciful. But one is not powerful and merciful. One is only have a position like God. It is hidden in all the objects. All the name Ram into 1 is equal to Ram. Sham into 1 into Sham. This one is also hidden like God. So this one resembles with the God in this sense. So, my dear students, these are the properties of one. I have defined 13 properties of one. So, one is a very important number for mathematics. And the last, I want to make a request to you. Please subscribe the channel. I shall be very thankful to you.